Hello everyone. In this video, we have demonstrated the application of Hyperdesmo 2KW in a prototype paper box in our laboratory. Hyperdesmo 2KW is a two-component, 100% solid content, rich solvent polyurethane resin. It is ideally suitable for the confined applications, like closed water tank. Hyperdesmo 2KW is supplied in regular 9 kg and professional 24 kg packings. Commonly used color is off-white or ocean blue. Hyperdesmo 2KW can be directly applied on concrete surface after thorough surface preparation. Oil, grease, or other contaminants like cement latents, loose particles, mold release agents must be removed before start applying base solvent-free Aquasmart Dur primer. The primer is applied at the rate of 100 grams per square meter per coat. For wet surface, 2 coats are recommended. The primed surface should be allowed to cure overnight, or to touch dry condition. We need to ensure that milky primed surface to become translucent layer, before proceeding with further treatment. All visible cracks and voids have to be filled with, either polyurethane sealant or free flow cementitious grout. While working on large tanks, Hyperdesmo 2KW material can also be used to fill minor cracks and voids. All vertical and horizontal corners are treated with polyurethane sealant to a thickness of a pencil. Hyperseal corner tapes can also be, with additional coat of Hyperdesmo 2KW at the corners. Also round all pipe penetration same treated as followed. Please be sure that component A and component B are transferred to a separate wide and shallow, moisture-free container. It is mixed well for minimum 3 to 5 minutes with slow speed stirrer 300 revolutions per minute. Once the product is mixed, pot life is maximum 30 minutes. It is advisable to employ 2 or more applicators to consume mixed product within 20 minutes. At no time of application further unapproved solvent or thinner should be added for ease of application. If added, the setting time of the product will be delayed for several hours, 2 even days. Partial mixing is not advisable. For all underground water tanks, the external surface of the tanks is first waterproofed before starting the internal coating. This is ensure no migration of water or moisture from backfilled earth into the tank. If it is not treated outside, you may observe delamination of 2KW coating or bubbles formed on our inner coat. Well mixed Hyperdesmo 2KW applied with roller or 6 inches putty plate. It is started on the vertical surface, and it is applied in 2 coats. The total consumption of both the coats should not be lesser than 1.4 kg per square meter. The gap between first and second coat should be minimum 6 hours and not exceeding 48 hours. The flow, or horizontal surface coating can be carried out in single coat at the rate of 1.4 kg per square meter if it is closed water tank. The inner surface of the ceiling is coated with single coat of Hyperdesmo 2KW at the rate of 0.7 kg per square meter. The properties of cured membrane of Hyperdesmo 2KW has very high surface hardness, short D40, elongation, 100%, tensile strength 20 MPa. Water absorption of the cured membrane is less than 0.5%, which makes it more suitable for waterproofing of water-retaining structures. Cured membrane of Hyperdesmo 2KW is certified for use in drinking water tanks both to international and domestic standards. It is highly recommended and widely used in portable water tanks made of RCC, precast concrete, steel and masonry tanks. The treated tanks can be put for use after 3 days of air curing, and it will have effective water tightness. Hope we have explained the procedure for application of Hyperdesmo 2KW for a portable water tank. Thank you for your patience hearing and feel free to contact our technical team for any further queries in this regard.